Hello friends, I have told you what note making is, and I have also given you what the characteristic features of note making. Now I am going to tell you more about the mechanics of note making. Now, what is this mechanics of note making? You need to know the art, you need to know the style, you need to know proper indentation, right? You need to know proper indentation in a way, right? How to write, right? That is very important, right? So, let us learn the proper indentation, or let us learn indentation of what I can say note making, right? So, first, what we'll write? It is point number 1. We have heading here, right? Heading. Then subpoint 1.1. We have subpoint. So how we can go on? Now 1.2 subpoint. 1.2 subpoint. Now you see, then below it one. Suppose I want to have 1 point subpoint. So here you have subpoint in a way, right? So now once this is done, we can come to main heading 2, right? Again we will write heading, then 2.1 subpoint or subheading, right? 2.2 subheading, right? Then if you want to have subheading or subpoint, we can write 2.1 subpoint or heading in a way. Right? So similarly it will go. How many headings? As I have already told you in my previous lecture, right? We will have 4 to 5 main heading. And how many subpoints? I have already told you 3 to 4, right? And how many to have subpoints? You can have 1 or 2. Just to let the examiner know that you know the art of writing a proper note in a way, right? So what is the order? Many are confused. Sometimes what happens is that children know they write the note but without the title. Sorry. They write the note but without the title. Similarly, they forget to write abbreviations. They write 20 abbreviations. That is not right. Right? Sometimes the summary is in points. So there is a proper procedure of writing a note, and you have to follow it. Right? You have, suppose in this case, you can begin with notes. Then what? Title. Title is very important. Keep this in mind. You are marked for it. Right? Title. And then you come to your points, heading. Right? Then it can be 1 to 5 as I've already 4 to 5 as I've already told you. Then you can put in sub points or subheading, right? Subheading, and then what? After this, then you have you have the abbreviations. Now abbreviations, how many? Right? There is an order. Notes, right? Title, the note here, abbreviation, right? How many? Sometimes many students write 15, 20, 25, right? No, right? You have to write 4 to 5, and how? In a box, right? In a box. After abbreviations, you need to write a summary. Summary, not in points. As I've already told you, you have to write in a paragraph, right? And earlier we used to write a summary in 80 words. Now we write in 100 words, right? It has to be in the past tense. Indirect speech has to be used. Third person to be used. So only then you will be able to write a correct and a good summary in a way. So this is one way, the format of writing a note, right? And I have discussed in detail about what note making is, what are the characteristic features of note making, and I have also discussed the mechanics of note making. I'll just give an idea of note making in my next class. Thank you.